Bro, did you know here in Philippines, two ghostly figures are said to roam the night, the white lady and the black lady? Before we continue, hit like and follow for more creepy Philippine stories you won't hear in school. We say the white lady appears on empty roads wearing a long white dress, her face pale, emotionless. Drivers claim she suddenly shows up in the back seat and vanish when they look again. Some believe she's the spirit of a woman who died tragically, forever searching help that never came. But if the white lady warns, the black lady watches. The black lady is often seen standing in dark corners of old buildings, her face hidden, her presence heavy. Witnesses say when you see her, something bad is about to happen. Lights flicker, phones die, and an unexplainable fear fills the air. Unlike the white lady, the black lady does not ask for help. She observes,